Hey, this is Alvin. This is from Pimp My Ride. This is Dandan for tires. This is Alden for muffler. This is JJ for the body.
From the shell.
And this Jobic for the side mirrors.
And I'm the cameraman.
Then, let's do the Pimp My Ride. Basta mo na.
This is the model of the motor, original design of the motor. It's so ugly. The Apollo 69.
This will change in just a matter of minutes. This will change in an hour. This will change in an hour.
It will like this.
Let's do this. Let's do this.
Wow, let's do this. Let's do this.
Pause.
This is some changes of the Apollo 69.
How fast is this?
It's incredible. It's so ridiculous. Fuck me. Fuck.
Dan, alis ka na dyan, Dan. Ikaw mo lang dyan sa ano.
Di. Alis yan.
This is a new model of the Apollo 69.
Unbelievable! With matching pampers!
Go! Look at the seat cover. Look at the seat cover. How beautiful.
How beautiful the seat cover.
How beautiful the seat cover. The max. Yeah, the max. The muffler. The body design. Then the bumper. And then the headlight. And the exhaust. Wow, what a beautiful.
And the model. This is the driver model.
The most beautiful part of the motor, the pampers, the diaper pampers.
It is sponsored by Drivers.
Pampers,
Tama na.
how beautiful is that? Papakita mo yung ano.
And this is
Pimp My Ride!